Ready to add some festive cheer and functional style to your home? In today's video, we're showcasing a selection of IKEA's best holiday-inspired items. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. The FENOMEN Unscented Pillar Candle in gold is a stunning addition to any decor, whether for festive occasions or everyday elegance. Its smooth, metallic finish brings a warm, golden glow to your space, all without any scent, perfect for dinner tables, mantels, or cozy gatherings. Add a little sparkle to your Christmas tree with the VINTERFINT clear glass and gold bauble. Its delicate glass design allows light to softly shine through, while the gold accents add a hint of elegance and shine. Whether your holiday style is traditional or modern, this ornament will hang gracefully with its included ribbon, making it a timeless piece for any tree or wreath. Wrap yourself in the vibrant comfort of the KLIPPOXEL throw. This isn't just a blanket, it's a burst of color and warmth that will bring life to any room. Available in bold combinations like beige yellow, blue, gray turquoise, white, or even orange bright pink, it's perfect for adding a playful pop to your decor. At 51 by 67 inches, it's large enough to drape over your sofa, chair, or bed, offering a cozy touch for those chilly nights or a stylish accent all year long. The VINTERFINT cushion cover brings festive charm to your home with its playful Santa Claus pattern. Perfect for adding a cozy holiday vibe to your living room or bedroom, this cushion cover features a cheerful design that's sure to brighten up any space. Made from soft, durable fabric, it's both comfortable and easy to care for. The FRÖJDA decoration is a stylish and playful piece, featuring multiple chrome disco balls that catch and reflect light beautifully. Perfect for creating a lively atmosphere, these shimmering orbs bring a festive touch to any room, whether as part of a holiday display or a party centerpiece. ÅSJORDFLY cushion cover. Transform your sofa or bed into the ultimate cozy spot with the ÅSJORDFLY cushion cover. Made from a soft, teddy fur-like fabric, it's the kind of cushion you'll want to sink into after a long day. Available in a versatile off-white color, it easily blends with any decor, whether you're going for a minimalist, rustic, or modern look. The plush texture adds a welcoming feel, making any room a little warmer and cozier. At 20 by 20 inches, this cushion cover isn't just about looks, it's also designed for comfort. Simple yet elegant, the FRÖJDA glass Tealight holder is perfect for creating a warm, glowing ambiance. Made from thick, clear glass, it radiates soft candlelight, enhancing any festive or everyday setting. Its minimalist design makes it a versatile piece that fits seamlessly into your decor, whether on a dining table, mantel, or windowsill. Serve in style with the KRUSTISTEL serving stand. Made of natural bamboo with a bright turquoise handle, this stand combines functionality and flair. It's great for holding snacks, drinks, or plates at crowded tables or buffets, and its sturdy handle makes it easy to carry from the kitchen to the party. Whether for everyday use or special occasions, this serving stand brings a fresh, modern look to your table. The FRÖJDA ice bucket with tongs is a sleek, polished accessory for your next gathering. Its shiny chrome finish adds a touch of sophistication to your bar or dining setup, while the included tongs make serving ice easy and elegant. Compact yet stylish, it's perfect for keeping your drinks cool and adding a chic, functional element to your party decor. Celebrate the season with the FRÖJDA white candlestick, featuring a unique snowflake-shaped base for a touch of winter magic. The glossy white finish complements a variety of holiday themes, making it a lovely addition to your Christmas table or mantel. This festive yet timeless design is perfect for creating cozy evenings or brightening up your holiday gatherings. The VINTERFINT tree ornament set of 3 in gold adds a luxurious shimmer to your Christmas tree. Each ornament has a smooth, glossy surface that reflects light beautifully, creating a warm, festive atmosphere. Lightweight and easy to hang, these elegant pieces blend perfectly with traditional or modern holiday decor. Add a touch of whimsy to your holiday decor with the VINTERFINT red glass mushrooms. These ornaments bring a playful, woodland-inspired vibe to your tree. With their glossy finish and adorable design, they're perfect for adding a pop of color and festive magic to any branch. The FRÖJDA set of 3 white candlesticks offers minimalist elegance with a modern twist. Each candlestick is a different height, making them ideal for creating a dynamic, stylish display on your table or mantel. Their sleek white finish works for both festive occasions and everyday decor, bringing warmth and style into your home year-round. Add a classic holiday touch to your home with the VINTERFINT red and green bauble wreath. Measuring 15 inches in diameter, this wreath features glossy, festive baubles that reflect light beautifully, creating a welcoming, cheerful vibe. Perfect for hanging indoors or outside, it's a timeless decoration that brings traditional Christmas charm to any space. Count down to Christmas in style with the VINTERFINT Advent Calendar with 24 loops. Its simple, rustic design allows you to attach small gifts, notes, or ornaments to each loop, creating a personalized and interactive holiday experience. This charming calendar fits effortlessly into any decor, adding a special festive touch to your holiday traditions. Store your holiday treats in the VINTERFINT tin with lid in bright red, a festive and practical solution for keeping cookies, candies, or small gifts fresh. Its vibrant color adds a cheerful touch to your kitchen or pantry, making it both a handy storage option and a seasonal decor piece. The VINTERFINT tree ornament set of 9 in straw brings a cozy, rustic charm to your holiday decor. Handcrafted from natural straw, these ornaments capture the simplicity and warmth of Scandinavian design. With a mix of stars, hearts, and other shapes, they add a soft, textured touch to your tree, creating a welcoming, cozy atmosphere. Plus, they're eco-friendly and lightweight, perfect for a tree that feels both festive and earth-conscious. Add a soft, festive glow to any room with the Strolla table lamp. Shaped like a Christmas tree, this minimalist white lamp emits a warm light, creating a cozy ambiance without overpowering your decor. Its compact, energy-efficient design makes it ideal for side tables, windowsills, or holiday displays. With its clean, modern look, it's a versatile piece that works with Scandinavian-inspired or contemporary styles. Brighten up your holiday kitchen with the Inamaria oven mitt. Featuring a cheerful red design inspired by traditional holiday patterns, this heat-resistant mitt keeps your hands safe while adding a festive flair to your cooking and baking. It also comes with a handy hanging loop, so it's always within reach and ready for action, practical and stylish all in one. Complete your holiday kitchen setup with the matching Inamaria pot holder. Its festive red pattern coordinates perfectly with the oven mitt, offering both heat protection and a decorative touch. Whether you're handling hot dishes or using it as a trivet, this quilted pot holder combines style and function, adding holiday cheer to every meal you prepare. Bake up some holiday magic with the VINTERFINT pie plate in festive red. This 9-inch dish is perfect for pies, quiches, and more, bringing a pop of color to your table. Not only does it ensure even baking, but its vibrant red hue adds a joyful, seasonal touch to your holiday meals, whether you're serving up a family favorite or trying something new. Get into the holiday spirit with the VINTERFINT set of 2 spatulas. With bamboo handles and heat-resistant red silicone heads, these spatulas are perfect for all your holiday baking and cooking. The comfortable bamboo grip ensures easy handling, while the festive red silicone adds a fun splash of seasonal color to your kitchen. Add a creative touch to your holiday gifts with the VINTERFINT sticker set. These 2 packs of festive stickers, featuring snowflakes, Christmas trees, stars, and more, are perfect for sealing gift bags, decorating presents, or personalizing holiday cards. They're easy to apply and bring an extra layer of joy to your gift wrapping. The VINTERFINT gift bag in multicolor mixed patterns is a charming way to present small holiday gifts like jewelry, ornaments, or candies. Measuring 4 by 4 inches, this playful, vibrant bag is perfect for adding a pop of festive color to your gift giving. With sturdy handles and a compact design, it's a practical yet delightful option for those little but meaningful presents. For a more understated holiday vibe, the VINTERFINT gift bag in brown tones with mixed patterns offers a rustic, natural look. This eco-friendly bag is perfect for medium-sized gifts and combines a warm, earthy brown with festive patterns to create a chic, thoughtful wrapping option. Measuring 7 by 10 quarter inches, it's versatile, stylish, and adds a touch of elegance to your holiday gift giving. The VINTERFINT set of 3 gift bags combines festive red with natural jute patterns, offering a sustainable and stylish way to wrap your holiday gifts. These eco-friendly bags are durable and reusable, making them perfect for wrapping gifts in a way that's both thoughtful and kind to the environment. Each bag has its own unique pattern, bringing a charming, rustic touch to your holiday presents year after year. The Storklinta 3-drawer chest is where sleek design meets practical storage. With its modern, compact size, this piece is ideal for any room that needs a little extra organization, whether that's your bedroom, living room, or hallway. At 27.5 by 18.7/8 by 29.5 inches, it's spacious enough to store clothes, linens, or everyday essentials, while keeping your space looking neat and tidy. The best part? It's got a built-in anchor and unlock function, so you can securely attach it to the wall, making it perfect for homes with kids. No more worrying about tip-overs. The chest comes in a warm oak effect finish, which brings a touch of nature into your home and blends effortlessly with contemporary or minimalist interiors. You can also choose from a sleek white or rich dark brown oak effect finish, giving you more ways to personalize your space. Stylish, functional, and safe, the Storklinta 3-drawer chest is the storage solution you didn't know you needed. Stork 6-drawer dresser. Looking for something with a bit more storage? The Storklinta 6-drawer dresser is your go-to for both function and style. With 6 roomy drawers, this dresser is perfect for keeping clothes, bedding, and more neatly organized. Measuring 55.1/8 by 18.7/8 by 29.5 inches, it's big enough to hold all your essentials, but sleek enough to blend into your room without overwhelming it. The oak effect finish adds a warm, natural touch, making it a great match for modern, minimalist, or Scandinavian-inspired interiors. And just like the 3-drawer version, it comes with the anchor and unlock feature, ensuring it's securely fastened to the wall, making it a safe choice for homes with little ones running around. The iconic Billy bookcase has been a household favorite for years, and for good reason. With its slim and versatile design, measuring 15.75 by 11 by 79.5 inches, this bookcase is perfect for small spaces that still need some serious storage. Whether it's in a narrow hallway, cozy bedroom, or a home office, the Billy bookcase fits just about anywhere. What makes Billy stand out is its adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize it to fit your needs. Whether you're displaying treasured keepsakes, organizing your book collection, or storing everyday essentials, you can easily adjust the shelves to make room for both tall and short items. The Tonstad bed frame is where sleek design meets smart storage. With spacious drawers built right into the base, it's perfect for storing linens, blankets, or extra clothes, helping you keep your bedroom neat and tidy. Its clean, modern lines make it a stylish centerpiece, while the extra storage makes it a practical solution for smaller spaces. This bed frame ensures you sleep comfortably while keeping your room organized and clutter-free. The Tonstad bed frame is where sleek design meets smart storage. With spacious drawers built right into the base, it's perfect for storing linens, blankets, or extra clothes, helping you keep your bedroom neat and tidy. Its clean, modern lines make it a stylish centerpiece, while the extra storage makes it a practical solution for smaller spaces. This bed frame ensures you sleep comfortably while keeping your room organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching. If you found something that caught your eye, check out the links in the description to shop these IKEA products. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor tips and product finds. Happy decorating!